trying to catch some little minnow shad. We're catching them and chub minnows so far. Caught some big ones to use for bait out the river. Tonight or tomorrow one. Probably tomorrow. See if we can catch some catfish with them later. There's a big creek chub. I like the creek chubs. They work pretty good in the rivers and creeks. The catfish, and they're pretty tough. Another creek chub. Let's move up to the other hole, see if we can get some shiners. This hole seems to be creek chub. Keep moving forever. Gill, smallmouth. Caught him on one of them little moon eyes.
Is that your fishy? Hmm? Yeah? Is that your fish? What are you naming him? What you gonna name him?
First fish, a little smallmouth. Not too shabby. See if we can get a picture of him there. That's a smallmouth, bud.
Okay.
Caught a little rock bass on the night crawlers. Thought it was on a big old giant creek chub. It wasn't. But we're going to try to catch a catfish. Hopefully big enough there. We will see y'all later. First fish of the morning. About a pound and a half. I don't know how in the hell he fit that big old minnow. He tried to fit that in his mouth. But we'll get him back in there and see if we can get another one. He's probably about 2 pounds. He's a little thicker. A little bit better, that's for sure. We will take that bad boy. Pretty good one. A little bigger than the last one. Caught him over here in the slack water. Y'all can see that little pole right there. See how it comes out of the river, comes back around. That little slack water there, you'll catch fish in little places like that a lot. And about any kind of fish will come in there looking for bait fish. But we're going to try to catch another one. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully we can catch a little catfish before we get out of here. But it's getting a little late for that. I got a late start this morning, but we'll see what happens here. I'll take him. He's probably over a pound. Not a lot, but a little bit. Lost my camera, people. I gotta find that thing. Videoing on my phone. Sorry if it's not as good a quality as usual. I think it'll do though. Hopefully. We'll get us some videos up to date. I ain't really been taking very many here lately because I haven't had my video. But I will get it back up, and if I have to, I'll buy another camera. We will definitely be catching plenty more fish. We'll be videoing and we will put it up. I enjoy it actually. And I do thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it a lot. Well, I'll get that pole back out. See if we can't hook us up another one. Caught that one on a little bluegill. Most of them's been on little minnows, but well, big chubs actually, about 5-6 inches long. We'll see what we can do though. Hopefully we'll get another one before long.